Whoa, this could save my client onboarding workflow. Today, I'm checking out OkaySend on AppSumo. It promises secure document collection made ridiculously simple. That sounds exactly like what small teams need. Let's see if it actually delivers. First impression, clean, focused, and built for busy people. No clutter, no confusing setup, just straight to the point. OkaySend helps collect files from clients fast. And yes, securely too. That matters when you're handling sensitive documents. Think contracts, IDs, forms, tax files, and more. For freelancers, agencies, and small businesses, that's huge, because chasing files is always more annoying than it sounds. You send reminders, wait, follow up, and wait again. This tool tries to remove that whole mess. I like products that reduce friction immediately, and this one feels purpose-built for that. The main idea is simple document intake. Clients upload what you need in one place. You stay organized without juggling emails. That alone already feels more professional. The process should be easy for clients, too. If it's confusing, they won't finish it. OkaySend seems designed to avoid that problem. That's a smart move, because convenience often decides whether tasks get done. Now the security angle is the big one. You're not just collecting files, you're collecting private information, so secure intake is non-negotiable. OkaySend positions itself as the safe option. That gives me more confidence right away, especially for client-facing work. I also appreciate how straightforward the concept is. No complicated system to learn, no giant platform overload. Just a simple way to request and receive documents. That makes adoption much easier for teams, and easier adoption means faster results. If your inbox is full of attachment chaos, this helps. If your team keeps losing files, this helps. If clients keep sending the wrong documents, this helps. That's the real appeal here. It solves a very specific business pain, and it solves it cleanly. From a workflow perspective, this could save serious time. Less back and forth means fewer delays. Fewer delays means happier clients, and happier clients usually mean smoother projects. That's especially useful for service businesses. Agencies can standardize intake. Freelancers can look more polished. Small businesses can stay organized without extra tools. That flexibility makes it practical. I'm also drawn to the AppSumo value angle. Finding the right deal matters for lean teams. If the pricing fits, this could be a strong buy, because the use case is clear and recurring. This isn't a one-time gimmick. It's something you can use every week. That makes the potential value feel real. My honest take, this is very niche, but useful. If document collection is a headache, pay attention. If it isn't, you probably don't need it. But for the right team, it's a very smart shortcut. Fast intake, secure handling, and less admin work. That combination is hard to ignore. I'd recommend checking it out if you handle client files, especially if you want a cleaner workflow, and especially if you want a better client experience. Definitely look at OkaySend on AppSumo today. It might be the easiest upgrade in your process. Less chasing, more organizing, more getting things done. That's the kind of tool I like. Simple, focused, and actually useful. If that sounds like your business, this is worth a look. OkaySend could seriously streamline your document collection, and that's a win for everyone involved.